This is Max Williams with United Real Estate, and today I'm in Chesterfield County. More specifically, I'm in Midlothian, Virginia, and today we're going to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. This home is located here on a dead-end street. We have a cul-de-sac directly ahead and other well-maintained properties here in the block. This home is attractively priced at $155,000. The tax collector feels it's worth about $182,000. My numbers show it's about $193,000. It's the market value in average condition. This home is pretty typical as far as the TLC that's needed. We've got just a few items, nothing major. Those items you would definitely be able to see exactly where your money went in order to get this home back in great condition. Here we've got a few pickets. That's a pretty common repair. Simple power washing on the exterior and just simple carpet and paint here throughout. Okay, one thing I like about this home that was built in 1997 is we've got a nice modern floor plan. A nice big family room here. Focal point there at the end is a gas log fireplace. You would simply need new carpet and paint in just about all of these rooms. As we transition here, we've got space directly ahead for your dinette and a kitchen to the left. We're gonna pop out back here on the back deck. Let you take a look at this backyard. We're on about 1/5 of an acre here in this home. We've got a nice oversized back deck here and not too much grass to cut. One of the things I love about the backyard is we've got a nice big oversized storage building there. You would come in and plant your own grass and beautify this backyard. Once again, the power washing, pretty typical with vinyl siding. Good power washing will knock that algae right off and it'll look as good as new. Okay, let's pop back inside and take a look at the rest of the first floor. A few videos ago, you may remember, I mentioned I'm in a local contest for best photographer, and fortunately I've bumped up to about 3rd place. With your help, that really gave me a nice boost. I appreciate it. I'm gonna put the link below in the comment section if you'd be kind enough to just vote for me as the best local photographer here in town. I'd really appreciate it. Okay, in our kitchen, we do have space here for your washer dryer. Nice big laundry room. There's plenty of storage. You could also use that on the side there for some shelving in place of a pantry. Even though they do have space here for a legitimate pantry, that's just additional storage space. Okay, we've got a powder room here on the first floor. If you remember from previous videos, these homes are winterized. Therefore, we have the tape and the cellophane and the red solution in the toilet. Contrary to popular belief, that is not blood that is in there. That is antifreeze. I always have someone ask me, well, did somebody die in the house? And is that a murder scene? And all these other conspiracy theories. So I make a special point to mention that. Also, the red flags, the orange flags that you may see outside, the red tape in the house, that is not crime scene tape. You will never see it in the shape of a human body. Those are to signify trip hazards. So someone like me that's walking around in the dark in these homes doesn't trip and have a casualty. Okay, straight ahead here we have our hall bath. As you can see, we've got a pretty good looking bath, a fiberglass tub shower enclosure, shower heads in place, and this looks pretty good in here. We've got 3 bedrooms on this level, linen closet there. This first bedroom here to our right, this is going to be on the front of the house. This is a good sized bedroom. You could probably squeeze a full-size bed in here. This second bedroom's a little bit more conservative. I probably wouldn't go with more than a twin in this bedroom. A nice baby blue paint scheme. That's a deep closet. It's not overly wide, but it's got a little depth to it. You could probably do some shelving in there to maximize that space. And I like our master. We've got a really good sized master. No problem getting a king size bed in here, and it would definitely be comfortable. A larger closet. This is actually a walk-in closet. The railing or the shelving in here is missing, but that's an easy fix. Okay, straight ahead is our master bath. We're gonna pop in there and take a look. Okay, our vanity there to the left And to the right, we have a fiberglass shower enclosure. And fortunately, we do have all shower heads in place. However, we are missing a knob there for the throne. So as is my custom, I normally will take care of the shower heads if they're missing in this house. You use me as your buyer's agent. We'll take care of that knob there. We'll get that toilet working good as new. Complimentary service from Max Williams. If you have any questions about this or any other home in the market, it'd be my honor to help. Also, be sure to ask about rent-to-own program. Home starting in this area from $12.50 a month and up. And I can be reached on Facebook under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Have a great day.